It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long way without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Kit, what happened? Where's your front lip and fender liner? Kit had an incident on track. He ripped off his expensive carbon fiber lip. Rip. What happened to your car?
I don't know. I need to take it to take it home first and see. Well, time for upgrade.
What happened? Alright guys, Kit here is being the nicest man ever. He's driving us all the way back from the track. He doesn't have to do that. I told him he didn't have to do that, so we bought him some Texas Roadhouse, but filling up on 91 so we can make the drive all the way back. Kit is a very nice man. Everyone needs a Kit in their life. Follow him. He is the leader of NorCal Subaru Group 15, so also check them out.
NorCal VA Subaru.
NorCal VA, sorry. The VA. So make sure to follow them on Facebook as well. Get that right. And we will see you soon. Possibly at the track again with this guy and this guy. Any last words, Kit?
No. See you guys later at the track.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong, and what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.